You got black piggies today.
Oh, that was easy, that one.
That one was easy for you.
Yeah.
But your feet is as strong as an ostrich.
Today, we're doing the brakes on this beast. Well, it's a lovely day, bit hot. Another day doing brakes. So, this is a Volkswagen LT old thing. So today I'm doing the discs and pads on this. As you can see, they're rather shitty. They haven't been done for a long time. Brakes don't work very well. Starting off, took the wheel off obviously. Then you've got two bolts behind here, which are actually Allen keys to hold on the caliper. So that's a H7. So that's an H7 Allen key. Goes in the back of these here. I cracked them off with this bar because they were bloody tight. They shouldn't be that tight. And now I'm just using this little ratchet to get them off. I should have bought me impact drivers, it would have been a lot quicker. Right, Pete's found me a long one, so that's good, it can go in here. But if you can't undo something, always use a bar. And then if you still can't undo it, just make the bar longer. As long as your tool's strong enough, you're fine. Right. Pretty much out. Right, now it's time to push back the piston. So basically, when you look in there, it looks really bad, look, but you've got your disc, and you've got your pads, and you've got your piston there. That's the bit you need to push back, but what you should do is lever against one of the pads, or basically or the outside of this, and it'll pull it in. So as long as your sliders aren't rusted, it will pull it in. So yeah, give that a go. I'm just going to find a bar and then I'll do this one. Try with my little bar, but I don't know if it'll work because it's pretty crusty in there.
That must be the rear disc, Rich. It doesn't look like the same as that one, does it? Or does it?
No, that's the rear.
That's the rear, okay. I've opened the wrong ones. See, shows how stupid I am.
No, just 50-50 chance, mate, wasn't it? Right, because we've got new discs, I'm going to lever against the disc, that doesn't matter. The disc's very thin. Just pushing the piston back in. Right. So that piston is pushed back now. And I can see that this is well, I mean, the caliper doesn't move at all. That should slide freely, so that's completely seized up. That just slid now. Basically beat the shit out of it just to free it all off. So there's a funny little retaining clip here. That's it. Right. Caliper should be free now. Right. Support that somewhere. Just sits there okay, that one. Now it's time to get off the ones that everyone says I can't get off. I might need that. These bolts here are the ones that everyone says I can't get off, these ones. Because they're apparently too tight for me. Probably too tight for you, actually. Right, let's try. It's not a 21. Where's the 19, Pete?
Huh?
Where's the 19? Representing. Right, get the bar on. These I'm trying to film it because these all the people say I can't undo these. So I'm just seeing how. Right, so if you, that's it. So I didn't actually need the bar. The whole truck did actually rock then. Yeah, no, that's that one cracked off. Now we'll do the top one. you're still going to say someone did it for me, aren't you?
They always do, them ungrateful fuckers.
Yeah, I know. Fucking ungrateful bastards, isn't they?
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy, that one.
That one was easy for you.
Yeah.
But your face is as strong as an ostrich.
Strong as an ostrich. So you leave them in, just crack them off. Leave them in. Now we've got to get the disc undone. Oh, no.
No. It's Allen key was actually bending.
That's not good, is it?
No, it's fucked actually inside there.
So now what you need to do is drill this out. So we've had a good old drilling session. Hopefully it's weakened it.
It's not like this one.
Hopefully it's weakened it enough to get it off. Right, that's what it's supposed to look like.
Hey, Janet.
The other one didn't look anything like that, so it's supposed to be T50, so that goes in there. Right, let's pray that this one got undone. So this one is a lot better looking than the other side, isn't it, Pete?
Yeah, I'll go in and put the brake on.
Hold the camera. Yes.
Oh my God.
Hold it.
Oh, sorry.
Hold it.
I'm so shocked.
I'm taking it straight out.
And it's not going back in. It's only in once.
Oh, look what it's like. That's what, oh my God, that's why we can't get the other one out.
It's so thick.
It's really thick. Wow. Oh my God. That's going to take some drilling out, isn't it? Push that one in there like that, and then that one on there like that, and then we can put the caliper back on.
You got black piggies today.
What?
You got black piggies.
Black piggies.